Welcome to Turtle Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a Google Map to your WordPress website. First, go to Google Maps and find the location you want to embed on your website. Click the Share button, then select the Embed a Map tab. You'll see an HTML code snippet. Click on Copy HTML to copy the embed code. Now head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want to add the map. In the WordPress editor, switch to the HTML or text view. In the Gutenberg editor, which I'm using in this website, you can add a custom HTML block. Now paste the Google Maps embed code that you copied earlier into the HTML view or the custom HTML block. Click the preview button to see the map. Save your changes and preview your page to see the Google Map in action. You've successfully added a Google Map to your WordPress website without using any plugins. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials.